Hello everyone, we're back at it again on this wonderful day. What I have for you today is I have 5 new tickets for the North Carolina Education Lottery of the White Elephant with the top prize of $20,000. Then I have 1 ticket of the Peppermint Payout with the top prize is $150,000. And again, this is a $5 ticket. And as you can see, it's on ticket 41. And then I have 5 tickets here of $2 tickets. But the top prize of the White Elephant is $20,000. The way to win on the White Elephant ticket is to match your numbers with the winning numbers, of course, but also to reveal a present and win that prize instantly. If you reveal a candy cane, you win all 10 prizes. All 10 prizes. So what we're going to do is go ahead and begin. Hopefully, we will get a good win. All right, let's see what our winning numbers are. There are 31 and number 9. All right, we got number 35. That's Christian Okoye. 13 for Dan Marino. Number 4, Brett Farr. 29. Let's see here. 16. Will that be Joe Montana? I can't remember. I believe so. 17, Doug Williams. Number 2. Then we got 20, Barry Sanders. Number 7, Michael Vick. Then we got 12, I believe that's Randall Cunningham of the Philadelphia Eagles. All right, next we're going to move on to ticket 137. Matter of fact, let's see what the numbers are. 31, 6, 13. Shout out to Dan. 28, Darrell Green from the Washington Redskins. 25. He got 18. Would that be Peyton Manning? I think so. 17. Doug Williams again. 35. Christian Okoye from the Chiefs. And we got a present. So we got us a win. Let's see what what our numbers are. The winning numbers. All right, we got 24 and 29. No matching numbers. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we won $2 on ticket 137. 137. Moving on to ticket 138. All right, the winning numbers are 6 and 19. We got 16, 20. Number 8, Kobe. 27, I believe that was Brad Edwards. 13, 18, 22, number 1, number 7, 28, no win. And that was ticket 138, 138. All right, let's continue. All right, we're on ticket 139, 139. We got 33 and number 1. Shout out to Kareem, the Cap. Then we got 14. 21, prime time, like Dion. Let's see, 26. 16. 18. 23, MJ, Michael Jordan. 33, we got us a winner, Kareem. And number 12. And please make sure like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what our winning is. We got $10. $10. Shout out to Kareem. And that was ticket 139. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar of the Los Angeles Lakers. All right, we got 33 for 10. So far we got a total of $12. All right, next up we have ticket 140. 140. 140. All right, we got 21 and 5, 10, 35, number 1, 24, shout out Kobe, 12, 7, 26 in the mix, 30, number 4, And number two. Number two. We did not get a win on ticket 140. Did not get a win. If you like playing these tickets, let me know. Or if you've tried them, let me know how if you got any wins or anything such as that. All right. We got 29, 12, 19, and 1. As a matter of fact, let me bag it up. The way to win on this ticket is to match the winning numbers to your numbers and win that prize. Reveal it looks like a candy cane with a bow on it. And win that prize instantly. Reveal it 5 times, win 5 times that prize. And if you reveal a present, you win all 12 prizes. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get us a win. All right, so we got 29, 12, 19, and 1. 21, 30, 38, 11, number 2, number 7. Will we get a win? Will we get a win? 39, 20, Barry Sanders, 22, 27, 18, and 36 for Jerome Bettis. Well, okay, everybody, we didn't get a win on that ticket, and that was ticket 41, as you can see. That was ticket 41. And make sure you always check behind yourselves to make sure you didn't miss out on a ticket that could be a winner. Again, we only got 2 wins, and that was $12 on ticket 139 and 137. These are odd number tickets. Did not get a win on the other tickets. So everyone, please have a great rest of your day. Please, again, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.